Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unlock a CRA account online. So first, in your search bar, head over and search for locked CRA account. And right off the bat, you should see a link from canada.ca that is named CRA account help locked accounts. All you have to do is click and follow this link. You will then be redirected to this page, which tackles the possible causes for your account to be locked. And there are two ways for you to be able to regain access to your CRA account. And you can either just go through the registration process again, so just follow this link. But if you badly need to unlock your account, the only option you have is to contact them. So just follow this contact us link. Now from here, scroll down until you get to assistance by phone section. Now here you have this mini checklist that includes the necessary information and documents that you need to have with you before you can proceed with calling for assistance by phone. So if you have your SIN, check this, full name and date of birth, your complete address, and your personal account open or an assessed return, just click on this. And here you can see the mark that says you are now ready to call. Then next is just scroll down and here click on personal taxes, benefits, and trusts. And here you can see the hotline that you can reach out if you need assistance in unlocking your CRA account. You can also see the availability so that you get the perfect time to ask for assistance. The hotline depends on your location and region. And here you can see the phone numbers that you can contact. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!